Hey there! Frustrated with a blank screen and wondering how to fix no video signal on your Toshiba TV? You're not alone. This common issue can be a real headache, but don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to help you reclaim your binge watching sessions and get back to enjoying your favorite shows. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first. Let's ensure all your connections are secure. Loose or disconnected cables are often the culprits. Start by verifying that the HDMI or other cables from your devices, like a streaming box or DVD player, are firmly connected to the appropriate ports on both your Toshiba TV and the device itself. It's also wise to inspect the cables for any visible damage. Step 2. Select the correct input source. Next, grab your Toshiba TV remote and press the Input or Source button to cycle through the available input sources. Ensure the input corresponds to the port where your device is connected. If unsure, check your device's documentation for guidance. Your TV might be set to the wrong input source, so this step is crucial. Step 3. Restart your devices. Sometimes all it takes is a simple restart. Power off your Toshiba TV and any connected devices. Unplug them from the electrical outlet to ensure a complete reset. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and power everything up again. Restarting can resolve minor glitches that might have caused the no video signal issue. Step 4. Test with a different device or cable. Still no luck? Testing with a different device or cable can help identify the source of the problem. Connect another device, like a different DVD player or gaming console, using the same input and see if your Toshiba TV displays a signal. Alternatively, try a different HDMI or AV cable if you have one available. If the signal appears with a new device or cable, the original equipment may be faulty. Step 5. Update your TV firmware. Your Toshiba TV might need a software update. Check the manufacturer's website for firmware updates available for your specific TV model. To install an update, follow the instructions provided by Toshiba, usually involving downloading the firmware onto a USB stick and plugging it into the TV. Keeping your TV up to date can resolve compatibility and performance issues. Step 6. Factory reset your TV. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. This will restore your Toshiba TV to its original settings and can resolve deep-seated software issues. Look for the reset option in your TV settings menu and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Remember, a factory reset will erase all settings, so you'll need to set up your TV again from scratch. And there you have it. Several practical solutions to fix the no video signal problem on your Toshiba TV. Whether it was a loose cable, an incorrect input source, or a need for a software update, these steps should cover all bases. Remember to double-check everything after performing these troubleshooting tips, and don't hesitate to reach out to Toshiba support if the problem persists. By following this guide, your Toshiba TV should be back in action in no time. Enjoy your viewing, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. Happy watching.